Kesho ni siku yenye umuhimu mkubwa sana, tukisherehekea awamu ya 62 tangu tujinyakulie uhuru. My brother Rigiji and who else was with us in when we were burying Hubbard Karidhi just the other day. A gentleman who was born on the 1st of June 1962, and he died a grandfather. So we have really literally come of age, and that's why we have to be very bold as Kenyans to say it as it is. This is our country. Constitution 2010 is a document that continues to hold us together, and begins by saying the preamble, we the people, sisi wananchi wa Kenya, the sovereignty of the republic, which we are all determined to uphold, is vested in the people of Kenya, each one of us. This is why boldly we must face the future together, and we have highlighted what has actually happened. Even though we say we demand, we are not going to be demanding. We are going to take action, because we know we are talking to people with wax in their ears. And so when we say we are going to prosecute the chair of IBC, private prosecution, along with Mr. Marjan, take it seriously. Take it very seriously. We stopped them when they're trying to auction JKIA, and we will stop them. We have also made it clear, either be outsiders interested in buying off Kenyan assets without proper public participation, without we, the people, we are sending out a strong warning to them that those things will be countermanded. We will not allow this country to be auctioned. So